Check out this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, vinyl seats and rear bench seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.